pass a very critical information for the agribusiness community in Nigeria. I attended recently the Gulf Food Fair, and I met a couple of Emirati government officials that want to go into a full partnership with Nigerian food producers to export all kinds of legumes, fruit trees, vegetables to UAE and the Gulf states. And they are quite willing to be very supportive of us in terms of logistics and infrastructure, because I told them we do not have the capacity to export seafood deliveries, and they are very happy to partner, public-private partnership, private-private partnership. And actually, the business executive director of the Emir of Dubai is in the lead. His name is Walid Falani, and he said even if we can start with private sector companies, just in case the government is still reorganizing themselves, I should please let them know individual companies will have to sign offtake agreements in Dubai, and they are quite also willing to come here to help us coordinate the infrastructure delivery support, because I told them we'll need aviation support, transport support, and that we also will be requiring financing. So they said, okay, the banks, ADB or Bank of Agriculture, Nexim Bank, they can also provide financing for those institutions for on-lending to private sector. So every kind of entrepreneurs that want to be involved in export trade, please look me up. I'll be willing to pass my card and other information after this event. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much, contributors. Governor, the first to look you up, I will take you to the governor. I saw her turn and was listening to you intently. After that, I will also take you to the Minister of Agriculture, whoever else you want to see. But let me turn to the panel. Starting from my right,